Our most powerful and important allies are calling Joe Biden and congratulating him on his win. Today, added to that list were the leaders of Australia, Japan, and South Korea calling in their congratulations to President-elect of the United States, Joe Biden. South Korea's very existence depends on the President of the United States. South Korea does not fear Donald Trump's wrath about placing a congratulatory call to Joe Biden because South Korea knows it's all over for Donald Trump. 5 days, 5 full days and nights of silence from Donald Trump. The man who wants to hear his own voice more than anyone alive has not allowed you to hear his voice for 5 days and nights for the first time in the history of his political career. Silence. The silence is the concession speech. The concession was never going to be words, not from Donald Trump. The silence is the concession speech. Take it for the gift that it is. 5 full days and nights of your life without the sound of that voice. If you were dancing in the streets this weekend, you should still be dancing in the streets because nothing bad has happened since that. Yes, Donald Trump being president is dangerous, but that is not a new danger. And I promise I'll tell you as soon as I see something dangerous happen in this transition. 140,000 people a day getting infected with COVID-19 is the real danger this country is facing, not the petulant president whose days are numbered. Now, many people are scared by things that they haven't seen before. That's understandable, but don't be scared by Donald Trump's silence. It is the silence of a terrified man who is desperately trying to raise money online, on the lie, that he has not yet lost the presidential election. It is the silence of a man constantly sending out the neediest emails in political history with pathetic subject lines like, "I need you right now," all to trick gullible people out of their money. It is the silence of a man who is terrified of what his life will become on January 20th. He will spend next year as a defendant in important civil lawsuits against him and possibly as a criminal defendant in New York State. He will leave the White House under a cloud of pardons for his associates, for his children, and most importantly, for himself. And he only has a couple of weeks left to try to trick people out of their money to pretend to fight the result of a presidential election that has been decided. In just 9 days, Georgia will finish its recount and certify the election results on November 20th. 3 days later, Pennsylvania will certify their election results. Michigan will certify their election results on the same day. And the day after that, Nevada will certify their election results. Arizona comes 6 days after that, then Wisconsin. And with every certified election result, Donald Trump's ability to raise money continues to collapse. And on December 14th, when the Electoral College votes, Donald Trump will only be able to raise money from people who believe the earth is flat.